Hello, welcome to ByteNihongo.
こんにちは。バイトに本語へようこそ。
You want to learn Japanese, but the moment you see all those characters, it feels impossible, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to start, which script to learn first, what resources to use, and how to build your foundation step by step, without getting lost. Welcome to my channel ByteNihongo. Let's begin your Japanese journey today. Step 0. Understanding the 3 Japanese scripts. Before you start studying, you need to understand how Japanese writing actually works. There are 3 scripts, and every Japanese sentence uses a mix of all 3. Hiragana. Rounded, flowing characters. Used for native Japanese words and grammar endings like
です、ます。
You'll see it everywhere. It's the core of Japanese writing. 2. Katakana. Sharp, angular characters. Used mainly for foreign or borrowed words like English words, names, brands.
Example: coffee,
Kohi. You'll notice katakana a lot on menus, packaging, and signs. 3. Kanji. Complex Chinese origin characters. Each one represents a meaning, not just a sound. Example:
食、
eat,
学、
study,
日。
day.
Don't panic. Kanji comes later. For now, just recognize that it exists. So, every Japanese sentence is a mix. You'll soon learn how to tell them apart just by looking. Now that you understand the structure, let's start building your base. Hiragana first. Step 1. Learn Hiragana. Start with Hiragana, 46 characters, and this is your first real step into Japanese. Every beginner starts here because it unlocks everything: pronunciation, reading, and even kanji later. Goal: master all 46 characters in about a week. Learn them with sound, not just shapes.
When you see hear and say
Recommended tools: Tofugu Hiragana Guide, Dr. Moku's app Fun Mnemonics, Real Kana or Anki Deck for review. Write them by hand too. Muscle memory helps. Step 2. Move to katakana. Once you're comfortable with hiragana, move to katakana. Same sounds, different shapes.
It's used for foreign words like
チョコレート、
chocolate or
テレビ。
television.
Katakana is a bit trickier to remember because you see it less often, so mix in real examples, packaging, signs, or anime titles. Goal: learn all katakana in your second week. Step 3. Learn basic grammar and sentence flow. Once you can read both scripts, it's time to form sentences. Japanese sentences follow the subject-object-verb order. Example: English: I eat an apple. Japanese: 私はリンゴを食べます. Focus on these basics.
The des pattern.
私は学生です。
I am a student. Particles like
は、を、が、
common verbs:
行く、
to go,
食べる、
to eat,
見る。
to see.
Resources: Take Kim's Grammar Guide,
元気1、
textbook, or Japanese Pod 101. Step 4. Build vocabulary naturally. Next, fill your sentences with words that matter to you. Start with daily life vocab: food, family, actions, emotions. Example: ご飯、ライス、リンゴ、アップル、食べる、イート、嬉しい、ハッピー. Use spaced repetition apps like Anki, or try Memrise or Duolingo for casual daily learning. Goal: 20 to 30 new words weekly, connected to things you actually use. Step 5. Listening and speaking practice. Don't wait to get good before listening. Start early. Your brain learns the rhythm faster through real sounds. Listen to Nihongo Kan Tepe for beginners or Japanese Pod 101. Watch easy anime or YouTube content with Japanese subtitles. Repeat phrases aloud. This is called shadowing. You'll pick up natural pronunciation and phrasing. Step 6. Read simple Japanese, no kanji yet. Once you can read hiragana and katakana, start reading real Japanese. Use NHK Easy News or short graded readers for beginners. At this stage, ignore kanji you don't know. Focus on recognizing the hiragana patterns and sentence flow. Step 7. What's next? Kanji teaser. Now that you can read and make sentences, you're ready for kanji, the third and final script. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it looks. In my next video, I'll show you a logical and visual way to study kanji effectively. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon. Let's recap quickly. 1. Learn the 3 scripts. Focus on hiragana first. 2. Then katakana. 3. Start building sentences and vocab. 4. Listen and read every day. Keep it consistent, keep it fun. You'll be surprised how fast you progress. Comment below. Which script are you starting with today?